Balakot, where nature's beauty unfolds. Nestled in the heart of Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, Balakot is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Balakot is a town where nature's artistry takes center stage, offering a picturesque escape from the mundane. Surrounded by towering mountains, sparkling rivers and verdant valleys, it is a place where every corner is a postcard-perfect view. Balakot is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike, offering countless opportunities for exploration and discovery. The town serves as a gateway to the stunning Kagan Valley, a region renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and serene environment. Here, you can immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, far away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Balakot's charm lies in its ability to transport you to a world untouched by the hustle and bustle of city life, where tranquility reigns supreme. Here the air is fresh, the skies are a brilliant blue, and the silence is broken only by the gentle murmur of the Kunhar River. The Kunhar River flows gracefully through the landscape, adding to the serene ambience of the town. Balakot is a place to reconnect with yourself and with the raw beauty of the natural world, offering a sanctuary for the soul. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a break from the ordinary, Balakot offers a unique and unforgettable experience. It's a destination that will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Come, explore the hidden gem of Balakot and discover the magic that awaits in this enchanting town. Let Balakot's natural beauty and serene landscapes leave an indelible mark on your heart. The Kunhar River, a lifeline of the region, winds its way through Balakot, its turquoise waters reflecting the surrounding beauty. This river is not just a natural wonder, but also a vital resource for the communities living along its banks. The serene flow of the river provides a sense of tranquility to the area. The river is not just a scenic delight, it also offers opportunities for thrilling whitewater rafting. Adventure enthusiasts flock to this river to experience the rush of navigating its rapids, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists.
Kagan Valley, often referred to as the Switzerland of Pakistan, is a tapestry of alpine meadows, dense forests, and snow-capped peaks. The valley's breathtaking landscapes offer a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The valley is home to a string of picturesque villages, each with its own unique charm. These villages are not only beautiful, but also rich in culture and tradition, offering visitors a glimpse into the local way of life.
Saiful Muluk Lake, nestled high in the mountains, is a sight to behold. Its serene waters and the surrounding snow-capped peaks create a magical atmosphere that captivates all who visit. This legendary lake, with its crystal-clear waters and enchanting tales, is a must-visit. The lake is steeped in folklore, adding an element of mystique to its already stunning beauty.
Nadi Bangla Forest, a short distance from Balakot, offers a glimpse into the region's rich biodiversity. This forest is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and those looking to reconnect with nature. The forest is home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it ideal for nature walks and birdwatching. Visitors can explore the dense forest trails and discover the diverse species that inhabit this lush environment.
Shogran, a hill station perched at an elevation of 7,749 feet, offers panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. This elevated location provides a cool respite from the heat of the lower valleys. Siripaye, another scenic meadow accessible from Shogran, is known for its lush greenery and breathtaking vistas. The meadow is a perfect spot for picnics, hiking, and simply soaking in the natural beauty of the region. Balakot experiences a pleasant temperate climate for most of the year. Summers are mild and sunny, making it an ideal time to explore the outdoors. The temperature during this time ranges from 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, offering a respite from the scorching heat of the plains. Winters are cold and snowy, with temperatures often dropping below freezing. The town transforms into a winter wonderland, attracting tourists who enjoy snowfall and winter sports. The best time to visit Balakot is from April to October, when the weather is pleasant and the roads are accessible. During this period, the valley is in full bloom, offering breathtaking views. However, each season paints Balakot in different hues, offering a unique experience. Whether you prefer the lush greenery of summer or the snow-kissed landscape of winter, Balakot has something to offer everyone. Balakot is a haven for adventure enthusiasts, offering a plethora of activities for thrill seekers. Trekking trails of varying difficulty levels wind through the mountains, leading to hidden waterfalls, scenic meadows, and stunning viewpoints. The trek to Saiful Muluk Lake is particularly popular, offering breathtaking views along the way.
The Kunhar River, with its challenging rapids, provides ample opportunities for whitewater rafting. Experienced guides and outfitters are available to ensure a safe and exhilarating experience.
Camping amidst nature's splendor is a popular activity in Balakot. Several designated campsites offer basic amenities, allowing you to spend a night under the stars. Wildlife enthusiasts can embark on guided tours to spot the diverse flora and fauna that inhabit the region. From the elusive snow leopard to the colorful Himalayan monal, there's a chance to encounter some of nature's most fascinating creatures. Section 5. Echoes of the Past, Culture and History.
Balakot has a rich history and culture, shaped by its strategic location and the resilient communities that call it home. The town has been inhabited for centuries, with evidence suggesting its existence during the Mughal era.
The region is home to various tribes, each with its own distinct traditions, customs and languages.
The 2005 earthquake had a devastating impact on Balakot, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. However, the town has shown remarkable resilience, rebuilding itself from the rubble.
Despite the tragedy, the spirit of the people remains unbroken, and they continue to welcome visitors with open arms. Visiting Balakot offers a glimpse into the strength and resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity.
It's a reminder of the importance of community and the healing power of time.
Section 6. Navigating Balakot Infrastructure and Cuisine. Balakot offers a range of accommodation options to suit different budgets, from cozy guest houses to comfortable hotels. The town is well connected by road, with regular bus services from major cities like Islamabad and Abbottabad. Local transport within Balakot is primarily through taxis and jeeps, which can be easily hired. The cuisine of Balakot is a delightful blend of traditional Pakistani and Central Asian flavors. Local specialties include hearty meat dishes, lentil soups, and freshly baked bread. Don't miss the opportunity to savor a cup of noon chai, a traditional pink tea, while enjoying the scenic views. Balakot offers a glimpse into the local way of life, where hospitality is paramount and traditions are deeply rooted. The warmth and friendliness of the locals will make your visit even more memorable.
Section 7. Challenges on the Path. A look at key concerns. While Balakot possesses immense tourism potential, it also faces several challenges that need to be addressed. These challenges are multifaceted and require a comprehensive approach to ensure sustainable development. The 2005 earthquake caused significant damage to infrastructure, and reconstruction efforts have been slow in some areas. This natural disaster left a lasting impact on the community, and rebuilding has been a long and arduous process. This has resulted in infrastructure gaps, including limited accommodation options and inadequate waste management systems. These issues hinder the ability to attract and retain tourists, which is vital for the local economy. Overcrowding during peak tourist season can put a strain on resources and lead to environmental degradation. Managing the influx of tourists is essential to prevent long-term damage to the area's natural beauty. It's crucial to manage tourist influx responsibly to ensure the long-term sustainability of the region. Promoting responsible tourism practices can help mitigate some of these challenges. Environmental concerns such as deforestation, pollution, and the impact of climate change pose a threat to the delicate ecosystem of the region. Addressing these issues is vital for preserving the area's natural resources. Sustainable tourism practices are essential to mitigate these risks and preserve the natural beauty of Balakot. Encouraging eco-friendly activities can make a significant difference. Addressing security perceptions and ensuring the safety and security of tourists are crucial for the growth of the tourism industry. Building trust and providing a safe environment will attract more visitors and boost the local economy. Section 8. Towards a Brighter Future, Sustainable Tourism. Despite the challenges, there are ongoing efforts to promote sustainable tourism practices in Balakot.
Local communities are actively involved in conservation initiatives, working to preserve their natural and cultural heritage. The government is investing in infrastructure development, including improved roads, waste management facilities, and eco-friendly accommodation options. Awareness campaigns are being conducted to educate tourists about responsible travel practices, such as minimizing waste, respecting local customs, and supporting local businesses. By adopting a sustainable approach, Balakot can ensure that its natural beauty and cultural heritage are preserved for generations to come.
Section 9. Balakot, a gem worth cherishing. Balakot, with its breathtaking landscapes, rich culture and adventurous spirit, is a destination that will leave an imprint on your soul. Despite the challenges it faces, the town's commitment to sustainable tourism and the resilience of its people make it a beacon of hope. A visit to Balakot is an opportunity to witness the raw beauty of nature, experience the warmth of Pakistani hospitality, and contribute to the preservation of a unique cultural heritage. As you explore its hidden trails, navigate its gushing rivers, and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, you'll discover why Balakot is a gem worth cherishing. Come, be captivated by the magic of Balakot and create memories that will last a lifetime.